Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to properly tie your shoes. It's a simple task that many of us do every day, but did you know that there's a right and a wrong way to do it? We'll be showing you the proper technique so that your shoes stay securely on your feet and you won't have to worry about tripping or losing a shoe while on the go. Step 1. Start by threading one lace over the other. Make sure the lace in your left hand is on top of the lace in your right hand. Step 2. Take the lace in your right hand and tie it into a loop, making sure to keep the lace in your left hand on top. Step 3. Take the lace in your left hand and tie it into a loop on top of the first loop. Step 4. Tighten the loops by pulling on both laces. You should now have a neat and secure knot. And that's it. You've just learned how to properly tie your shoes. Remember to practice this technique so that it becomes second nature to you. It might take some time to get used to, but once you master it, you'll be able to tie your shoes quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.